everyone.
Hi everybody, my name is Victor.
And my name is Wanitha. And together we are
Victor's Food. Hi, we're here to tell you about a new cooking experience that we're offering starting in June. We're going to spice up your virtual life. And to be able to do that, we need to tell you a little bit about us. So, Wanitha.
That's me, Wanitha, but I'm also known as the love goddess. I'm the quiet one between the both of us.
And why do you like to cook?
Why I like to cook is because I like to eat. Why else?
Of course.
And I'm greedy, and I want to know the processes that is involved in it. So in that way of making food, I observed the processes, and the processes actually taught me a lot about what to do in different situations, and learning a little bit more about the ingredients. They became my best friends. So it's all about the process for me.
And we think cooking is so important because it is a life skill, and it's a life skill that, can create, a healthy environment for you and for your family and for your friends. So I was taught cooking by my mom, the big Italian mother that everybody wants to have in their life. And what I learned from her more than anything, besides great recipes, was that food brings people together. And food is about making people happy. And even sometimes when you have some of the hardest times in life, when you sit down at a table with people over an amazing meal, everything is at peace. So it's really great in reference to what it does. If you know how to cook, you'll never be without a date. That's really important stuff to know in this day and age. And also, what makes us different? What do you think makes us different?
In regards to how we present and teach, I think it's because we have two combinations. We are educators as well as chefs, and as well as business entrepreneurs. We also pioneered the concept of corporate team building. So what we've done is we've taken the platform of what is a normal everyday exercise, which is cooking, and because of our commercial experience and because of our education, we've actually created this circumference of experience that I don't think a lot of people can deliver to you.
And you were taught cooking by your dad, weren't you?
Yeah, I was taught at a very young age. My dad was the head chef to the Malaysian royalty, so I'm pedigree, folks.
And in my background, I've owned 8 restaurants, a nightclub that stands to 1,000. That was a lot of fun. And also 2 team building companies. So we have huge backgrounds in reference to what we do. We've traveled the world. So that's great in reference to food because, there's some amazing stories that go along with, eating tagines in Morocco and making tortillas in Mexico and eating your beautiful Penang food, your Malaysian curries. And this is all a little bite of the world. So we want to share that with you. Starting on June the 6th, we're going to be starting our first classes. You can go to our website, victorsfood.com.au, and there will be a page there. We'll tell you everything that we're doing, how to enroll, and what it's all about.
Yep, looking forward to you guys joining us in our kitchen, and from our kitchen we'll come to your home.
See you soon.
Bye.